Hello and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network once again, and we are taking a look on what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, the president of Zimbabwe, is slowly reversing the land reform program, and this is happening across Zimbabwe in different parts and areas. The biggest problem and challenge is this has not been reported widely in the news. And it's happening. You go to Mwenezi, it's happening. You go to Nyabira, it's happening. You go to Chipinge, it's happening. To Chiredzi, it's happening. To Chivi. That is the news of evictions after evictions. The biggest question is, for how long are we going to suffer under the hands of cruel men? So we need to take a look onto this one from Linda Masarira. This is something which is very important because it touches almost everyone. So what we are going to do is we look at what has been written right here, then we look at the video evidence which is right here with us. Linda says, whilst everybody is busy with their lives in urban areas, the land reform program is slowly being reversed. The video below shows the police officers trying to evict farmers in Nyabira today. This has been going on for months on different farms. The white community frustrating black farmers across Zimbabwe. These policemen were working under an instruction from Carol Gordon, a white farmer who owns more than 3,000 hectares with her family and friends. We can't sit back and watch the reversal of the gains of the liberation struggle. I know some ministers are involved in this saga, and I fear no. Zimbabwe belongs to all of us. Greed, corruption, and entitlement has brought us thus far. So this is the biggest problem which we have right now in the nation of Zimbabwe so far, because land reform program here yakamboimbwa nanatamba oga iyaya akati tane minda tirambe takashinga isu. It is now being reversed. I am telling you from first-hand experience in Mwenezi right there. Chokwe Mkosi victims are being evicted as we speak right now. It's happening. And no one cares. Nobody cares about those things. And these are some of the stories. So we need to look at this video so that we get to understand what is really happening.
Ampaze ba gate bedu. Ampaze ba gate bedu mapolisa to biro mu. Ripi. Ayo kwamba. Ayo. Moisa. Muchaba kubira bana ba muripo. Muchaba sera kupeka ba press bedu.
That's your assumption. That's your assumption. That's your assumption.
What's your court order?
Kuti nini? This is
action. Family kukontakta
muruda unza instruction here.
Antarina boss wako. Mimi muripo maya mauya wapi? Wazo nini? Regandi kudzi. Urikona nini? Police. Fonera police mdara. Fonera police nyabira. Atufone nyabira iwe ndofonera kwa ndoda. Wandude kuleze kuita.
Tikatanga iki.
Tovu. Saka mimi mana wati jana pasa gate. Adembra gate abandiani. Aisabusha sindopinda. Mangosuka ayo. Ore mira matungwa nani ore. Apo mapurwa nani apa. Ayi, apa zangosuka pavurwa. Ayi, vavurirwa nani? Amunomboti police avurere ndare.
Ayo, amunongobvunza.
Amunoti police ere pana kubvunze kuti.
Ayo, ndatangoona pavurwa.
Saka mara nozowa munda kwedu manje.
Ayo, unoziva chinoitika sha. Inini ungangoti
And the sad thing is, this is being initiated by fellow blacks. These are the people who are being sent to evict others, to displace others, and to cause all this confusion which we are seeing right here. It's happening across Zimbabwe. So this is the biggest problem which we have in this regime, Tungamirwa na Emerson, because this regime is actually doing whatever which they want with impunity. They don't care. They don't care about anybody. They don't care about anything. And this is the woman who is instructing ministers and police to go and evict people. What is the procedure of eviction? If somebody occupies your land, you cannot simply tell them to leave. You need to obtain a court order. If they've built a house or developed, you obtain a court order. And after obtaining an eviction order, the sheriff of the High Court goes to evict those people. Where is the sheriff in all this? Where is the High Court order in all this? Where is the writ of ejectment in all this? So these are questions which need to be asked. And the police are going there armed with a letter from charlatans and from crooks. Who does that? This is the kind of Zimbabwe we are now subjected to. This is the kind of Zimbabwe we are now living in. Everybody is living in fear. You go to Squawshava areas near Chireds right there. These are the stories of eviction. because there are certain white farmers who are coming to farm. You go to Chehoba, just adjacent to Skaushava. That is the same thing. There are certain Chinese who have taken over that piece of land at the expense of villagers who have been there for years. You go to Mwenezi, there are people who were displaced via through Tokwemkosi Dam, and these people, they are now being displaced again. And the funny part of everything, or the evil part of everything, is that they are being told, you go to a temporary place. Who does tell somebody kuti tiri kubvisa pawakagara zviri pamutemo wonotonokuisa pa temporary place? Imagine the audacity to say such words. Then they are not talking about compensation, they are not talking about anything. So you don't have alternative land, you don't have compensation, no schools for your children, no clinics whatsoever, no basics. Everybody, you go to the urban areas, you are demolishing houses of poor people. Vanhu varombo vati okay takutizira kumamisha tinovaka kumisha motera futi kumusha ikoko mondopwanya, simply because you want to please white people, simply because you want to please a few charlatans. It must not happen in such a way. And Tagwirei and the Tungwararas, they are ready to bring or to implement Yavarukuti title deeds. They are ready to do that, such that they block whatever action in the future. Ichazoitika papapamsoropeland. This government has been refusing to give papers to landholders for a very long time, because they know whenever they want to do whatever which they do, they want to do it with ease. Right now, they are violating the law. They are not following procedure and protocol. They are now using police kuenda kunorova vanhu, kuharasa vanhu nekuvandaliza zvinhu vachiita zvese izvozvo, instead of using the proper channels and the correct channels. Where are the eviction orders? So I think as Zimbabweans, we cannot be quiet when such things are happening, because at the end of the day, we are all victims. We are all victims. At the end of the day, we are all going to lose. It has happened kunana Chipinge huko vanhu vakaluza land yavo kunana Billy. Right now it's happening everywhere you go. It's happening. Vanhu vachiswa ma 0.5 hectares. Imagine, ndo panoya pakatarira mhuri yese, baba nevana vavo vese. What is happening to the right to shelter? Vanhu vari kumamisha mabasa vachamawana kupi? They are now being told kuti muchashanda pamapurazi iwayo. Zvichira kuti vakuita ma-farm workers. Everybody is going to be a farm worker, achipiwa slave wage. Onoswera ari ikoko opiwa kamari kasingatengi zvaitwa kumakomboni kumapurazi. That is inducing poverty on people further than what is happening right now. So this is what is happening. Emmerson is actually reversing the land reform program. This is what is happening, and we will speak it without fear, without favor. We will say it as it is. That is what that man is doing. So whatever which they would think or say, we are not going to be intimidated, because hapana kusiri kufa. You live, but often a BP. You just live for just a few months, you often a BP. Saka kusiri kufa ndekupi. It's better to die, tataura chokwadi. So this is what is happening. I just want to acknowledge everybody. Joe Vegas, thank you very much for the contribution. Nora, thank you very much as well for the contributions. So this is what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Let it be known across Zimbabwe, across the world, that Emmerson Mnangagwa is reversing the land reform program. ZANU-PF is selling back Zimbabwe. Mubvunzo ndewekuti makomrades makafira chinyi kuhondo, makafira mahara. That is the honest truth. As long as people are being evicted, as long as people are being forced out of their land, vakafira mahara vakarwa hondo. Izvi zvese zviri kuitika izvi. For how long are we going to suffer under the hands or in the hands of these people? So this is what is happening, and we will continue to speak out without fear, without